Welcome everyone, and thanks a lot for your response with the hand games which I have put on the channel, YouTube channel. And I'm really happy that 1400 parents have checked it, and many of them have replied to me positively that how it has helped tremendously for their children in this journey of autism. So again I am back with something really helped my child, and I have used this one as a main tool for language development for my child. So it is all about storybooks, and many of you who already know me, they know that I am such a big fan of reading books and reading storybooks to my child. So I keep on talking about it all the time. So again, through this medium of a YouTube channel, I'm trying to reach out more parents and share with them what all have worked for my child in this journey. So the first step is storybooks for language development. So I will start with one by one, step by step, because it will be easy to understand. So first step towards giving the exposure to storybook to your child will be through sensory book. I'm calling it sensory book, but if you go to shop or you try to buy it, then you have to mention as feel and touch books. Okay, because it's all about there will be some textures in the book along with the lines which you have to read and make the child feel the texture. So that is why it is called as touch and feel books. So it is something like this. Okay, don't worry, I am there connected on Telegram. If you have any questions you can ask. Okay, and I will put a link of Telegram group on this video down in the description box. I will put the link of Telegram group. Okay, so that in case you feel you have questions, you can please ping me and ask me in the group. So what I want to show you is, now touch and feel means, you see these different textures here. This is woolly texture, this is soft texture, this is hard, okay, shimmery, and it is also written over here. Okay, so the idea is that these kind of books will help the child to feel the book, not just the words are written but the feeling is there. And I do remember one of my parent who had during training sessions for parent coaching, she had created a sensory book for her child, and many other parents followed it and they also created one. So what I suggest you is, don't think that you have to you can only buy this and this one only you should get. Nothing like that. You can even create it at home. You have to paste different textures in a book, in a colorful book, and write something about it, like some sentence or words you write, and you connect the word with that texture and try to have fun with your child while reading it. So this is the first step, that is create a sensory book or buy a book like this, and sit with your child and enjoy it on daily basis. Give some time with the book. So this will not make the child very scared of books, and they will be happy to get introduced to something like a book, okay, which is very safe, and you are not bombarding them with lot of words or reading lot of sentences. Okay, so this is the first step, that we don't bombard them with lot of confusing words which doesn't have any meaning for them, big sentences. No, this will be the first step for them. For any age, if you have never introduced books, then introduce with the sensory book, so that they can have some connection with the book. They can feel very homely with the sensory experience, to touch it and feel it, how it feels like, and this can make them love the book. So I want you all to go step by step. So first step is this. I will post more videos on the second step, but before that I want you people to give me feedback after trying this, and so that I can move to the next step. So I will wait for all your feedbacks in the Telegram group or under the comment section. You can mention after trying this. All the best and keep loving and keep playing with your children. Bye.